Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I'm also fine here. Thanks very much for watching my video. So today is all about how I made my Christmas dress from my dad's shirt. Yes, we all know that Christmas is coming, so Nayada is here to help you make your own outfits. So kindly subscribe to my channel and let's get started, okay? Let's start by removing the pocket first. And my dear friends, be careful at this point in case you also choose blade to remove them, because I don't want you to ruin your special outfits. For now, I hope you know the reason behind our first step. We are going to start with the skirt first by cutting a straight line. So hey girl, go take your dad's or your boyfriend's shirt, or if you still have your ex's shirts and you don't like it, turn them into something useful. And to my guys, transform your own shirts for your wife, your sister, or your girlfriend, and thank me later. Okay guys, back to business. I'm turning the piece we have here at the back side, so let's get our elastic band ready. And before we start, you need to measure the elastic around your waist to know your size in order to achieve our goals. And as you can see, I'm about to make a casing for our waist. So I'm making sure that this casing I'm making will fit the elastic. So I'm pinning that in place before we start sewing. We are almost done with the casing, and this is how it's going to look. Let's move on to our sewing machine, or if you don't have, get a thread and needle and let's make a straight stitch. But we need to leave some small space so that we'll be able to insert the elastic. This part, we need more attention for the skirt to become more useful so that we can rock it well for any occasion. So it's now time for us to insert the elastic band with the help of a pin, starting from the space we left while sewing. And guys, do you know one funny thing about this tutorial? The main idea was to teach you guys on how to make the skirt only, but it was too rough for me, so I was still thinking when I was making the skirt, and boom, God gave me this idea about the top, which will be the next after we are done with the skirt. As we are patiently waiting for the two tips of the elastic band to meet, let's get our pockets ready. The pockets we removed before starting this tutorial. Boy, hey girl, don't tell me you can't find yours. Get them ready to make something better. Okay guys, so the ends of the elastic band are finally home, so we have to sew them with a zigzag or a straight stitch or any stitch you prefer so that they don't run away from us. In this case, we can now complete our casing. We need to seal that space we left to complete this process. Get your pockets ready. I've already pinned one for you to know the position. So I'm adding the second one. I used pins to join them to make the sewing simple and quick. For the parts I'm pointing is where the sewing will take place. Now back to the halter top. I already told you it wasn't part of the plan, so you see I was struggling here. I took my scissors and I didn't even know what to do. I asked myself several times, do I need to cut something? I took this bold step, and as you can see, I'm cutting from the bottom and ends at the neck part. But it's not a straight line, it's somehow curved to the neck part. I made the same process at the other side. I moved on to the sleeve part, and you see the line we have on the sleeve. I'm cutting that line. I know this is difficult to understand, but trust me, it's going to be fine, okay? And don't worry about how you're going to wear this top. It's a no-sew top, so I will teach you how to wear it. Now this is the final step. I opened the neck part and I inserted a strap with the help of a pin, and that's all for the tutorial. So let me teach you how to wear this top. And guys, let me thank you for being with me. Thank you very much for trusting me, and I'm very happy to share these good results. I hope we can all make a special outfit from today. But please help me to subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials, and don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. Also, feel free to ask me any style you want, and I'll be here for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Nayada. I love you and I appreciate your support. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.